What is going on, everybody? It's Manny again. So new GoPro recording right now, GoPro Hero 11. We were shooting on a Hero 7 before. So we're gonna be testing it out, see how the audio picks up, how the video comes out and everything. So far I've played with it a little bit, so it's been pretty quick, like it's really fast. So we'll go for a little drive. It is a little bit wet outside, but that's fine. So we're gonna go drive. Gotta pick up some parts, and I'll take you guys with me. Roll it back. So far on the camera looks really good. Let's see how it comes out after the render. It's a little cold start. I'm shooting in the right frame. The screen is much bigger on
Turn
here.
left. Exit right. Fallout.
Okay guys, let's check it out. Got one rail there, another rail here. Damn, this thing's like a nicely wrapped hot dog. Or like a chicken wrap, sorry. What the hell am I saying? Oh my goodness. This is well and protected, buddy. Okay, this is the fuel rail. I don't want to open it up just yet, but that's one of it. Amazing. Really good shipping. Really good. Okay, so hardware kit. These must be washers or spacers of some sort. Another washer. New bolts. Okay. Got them with the pulsation damper, so they must be already installed or something. So let's check that. So that's unraveled there. And that's the fuel rail. CJ Motorsports. Wow, really nice piece of aluminum. It's really nice. Damn. So this is where the injectors go, I'm assuming. I haven't teared down my stuff yet, so that's what I'm assuming. So yeah, so that's CJ fuel rails for you. Okay, so stay tuned in the next video. We might be starting to do the actual lines and all that for fueling. And that's about it for this one. See you guys. Peace.